Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. They're a favorite for the holidays, Cornish Game Hens, and these have a beautiful apricot cranberry glaze. Here's what you'll need. 1 2-pound game hen per serving. Ingredients for the glaze like apricot preserves, cranberry sauce, and brown sugar, butter, and seasonings. And wild rice is the perfect pairing. Wash and pat dry the Cornish game hens. Then brush with 2 tablespoons of melted butter and season with salt and pepper. Heat the oven to 350 degrees and cook for about 90 minutes, basting with the drippings once or twice during the cooking process. In the meantime, make the glaze. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of apricot preserves, a half a cup of whole cranberry sauce, a half a cup of dried cranberries or tart cherries, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it all together and let simmer for about 10 minutes. When the rice is done, spoon it onto a platter, lay the golden brown Cornish game hens over the rice, and spoon the glaze right over top. Rock Cornish game hens make holiday dinners divine. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.